It's one of the blunders of the world. No one cares. No one